What up guys, I'm back. It's been a very long time, but now whilst we're in this period of self-isolation, it doesn't really give me an excuse not to go and do any editing. So hey! On a serious note though, please, I hope you are self-isolating, I hope you're staying safe, I hope you've got plenty of supplies. What is going to happen over the next few weeks and months, nobody knows, but please look after yourselves. So before this epidemic kicked off, I managed to escape for a few days skiing over in Mayrhofen in Austria, and this video covers a few different bits and pieces of what we got up to when we were out there. Last time I was in Mayrhofen was 2015.
It is a beautiful blue sky day.
It was very old school GoPro footage, apologies. This is the new GoPro 8, which is also what I'm filming on now, and hopefully you'll see the difference in smoothness in some of the shots on the slopes. Anyway, here are the highlights from the trip. Hope you enjoy it, and hopefully see you in another video very shortly, and probably well before self-isolation finishes. Stay safe, bye!
Welcome to the Hintertux Glacier, which is at the bottom of the Zillertal valley. The other side of the mountain is horrible. Really strong winds, a lot of lift closures, so we came over here and it's lovely. Let's ski. Welcome to a very snowy Kaltenback, which is down the valley from Mayrhofen. And as you can see, all the trees are looking lovely because it's snowing and still snowing now. Big area this, lots of reds, lots of blues, not too many blacks, so perfect for the intermediates amongst you.